Today, we're exploring the non-additive dissolve transition, a subtle yet creative way to blend clips seamlessly. Let's dive in. Start by adding two clips to your timeline. Place them back to back to set the stage for a smooth transition. Next, head over to the effects library in the top left corner of the edit page. Navigate to video transitions and scroll until you find the non-additive dissolve transition. Drag and drop it between your clips. This transition works by dissolving the outgoing clip while blending the incoming clip, but instead of combining their luminance, it keeps the blending softer and more neutral. Now, click on the transition in the timeline and head to the inspector. From here, you can adjust the duration to make the dissolve faster or slower based on your desired effect. The non-additive dissolve is perfect for understated transitions, maintaining the tone of your edit while ensuring a smooth visual flow. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized the non-additive dissolve transition. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DaVinci Resolve tips.